Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
It's kind of a cool looking street. I could go either way. I think I'm gonna go down this way. And you can see we're on Madeira Street. Oh, we got all these bird cages as well. Let me just highlight that real quick. And then yeah, this hotel is called East Asia Hotel. Looks like there's a bunch of people inside. Okay. And then parallel down that way is the San Malo, Avenida de Almeida Ribeiro. Okay, so I'm going to be going down a street called Madeira Street. Madeira is right behind this green building. This green building is only 1 block long. You can see East Asia Hotel, that other green building in the background. Let me just kind of move like that. And I'm also going to give you a little context where we are. We're also near this hotel. It looks kind of funny on this side. And then we're also near this this street right here. And then I'm going to start the video, and we're going to do Madeira, but we're on this San Malo street as well. So black and white tiles, and it goes all the way down to Pont 16, right over there. So that gives you a little bit of a context where we are exactly. And with that note, we are going to go down Madeira Street, which is behind this green building, and then take a right where that other green building is at, East Asia Hotel. So stay tuned for Madeira Street, named after an island in Portugal. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Madeira Street. You can kind of see that hotel lobby right there. A little corner of it. It looks like it's kind of empty, but and that is the Pont 16. Going that way. So okay. So yeah, we're gonna be going down this Madeira Street right here. Let's go down this way. It's kind of a cool looking street. I could go either way. I think I'm gonna go down this way. And you can see we're on Madeira Street. Oh, we got all these bird cages as well. Let me just highlight that real quick. Ah. It's a little shop of bird cages right there. So this is our kind of cool looking building. Okay. So I'm gonna come down here, and then we'll give you some context of our street. And you can see the East Asia Hotel right there. And that's our target street, Madeira. Rua da Madeira, which is named after an island in Portugal. And we're gonna walk down that way in a moment. We're gonna walk almost, we're gonna see how far we can get. It's kind of a cool little shop right here in the middle. Okay. So let me give you some context of what all is around here. There's Pont 16, that yellow building. Then we got that green building right there. Those nice balconies. I think the lens is like not quite right. So we're gonna walk down Madeira. And then yeah, this hotel is called East Asia Hotel. Looks like there's a bunch of people inside as well. Okay. Let me just kind of capture this real quick. So this actually has some historic value, this East Asia Games. Nice balconies up there as well. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Got another hotel to the right here called Commune. Then you got some apartments up above. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going down. Now we got some black and white tiles. I think this is called Cinco de Octubre Street, or yeah, Cinco de Octubre. So this is takes about 25 minutes to walk down this particular street. It's parallel with the ocean. There's the iconic East Asia sign right there. Villa Madeira. And with that note, we are going to continue down our street. Got some nice, cool windows right here. Here's Madeira. Okay, did some construction on that side. Restaurant over here. Yeah, actually this street is quite beautiful, and I really wish they would like maybe make a theme. Since it's Madeira Street, maybe you can put like artwork from Madeira. Madeira is well known for having doors. So they could actually put some interesting doors on here. Here's a fish and guitar. Animals pet shop. But yeah, the island of Madeira in Portugal has like all these really colorful doors, so they could actually beautify it in some interesting way. Let me just... So we're going to continue down our street, and we also have all these other little alleys here. This one's called Pagode. Okay. And then parallel down that way is the San Malo, Avenida de Almeida Ribeiro. Yeah, you could beautify these, paint it, do some kind of Madeira theme, put some Madeira. Portugal has it's like kind of the Hawaii of Europe, really. Okay, let them go by. The hair salon shops. Why does the camera seem kind of fuzzy? Gold. Habibi Foods. So this is where we're coming from. We got all this kind of gold right there across the way, which is kind of cool. That's cool, they have a shop that's devoted to, so that's on Madeira here. Right there. It's offering. I think we're almost at the end of our street here, so Indonesian Pakistan spices. So we are coming to the end. I think the end is going to be right up here in a moment. And you can see another alleyway straight ahead. But I think Madeira comes to an end right here. We'll highlight this whole space in a moment, and then I think we'll be ending it. So yeah, this actually turns into Cassius Lane. That little alley right there. And then you can see Grand Lisboa in the background. Pico de Caixas. And so yeah, that was our little Target street right there, Madeira Street. And that was what we just went down. And I'm going to end this video on this little wood shop. This is a museum right here. Kind of a nice space to end it in. And our street was Madeira, right over there. Okay. Madeira Street. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.